Okay, in this tutorial we are going to have a look at suvat and the vector stage of any suvat projectile problem. The suvat and vectors are married together here because most problems have a situation like this. A cannonball is fired at 30 degrees from horizontal at a velocity of 5, pretty slow, meters per second. And you'll be asked to find out all sorts of things about the path, time in the air, whatever it asks you. The first thing you need to find out is what are the two components of u vertical and u horizontal, because this is your starting velocity. This is u. This is defining your u as a vector. So this is why you need the vectors to do the next stage. So here's what you need to do. You need to convert the two vectors, let's make a bigger triangle this time, from the polar vector into components. So let's have a look. So we've got a component going that way and a component going that way. Let's give it some more colour. Okay, so you can look this up in the data book. You can use SOHCAHTOA. It's up to you. You can just memorize this. It's up to you. This component is going to be 5, which is the resultant, times the cosine of 30 degrees, which comes out as 5 times root 3 over 2. Okay, straight from the unit circle. So on the other one, the vertical one, is going to be the sine of 30 degrees times 5. Let's write that in. 5, which equals 0.5 times 5, which is 2.5 meters per second. Okay, so we now have our two components. Let's just give that a label as well. So this is the horizontal, u, the initial velocity, and this is the vertical initial velocity. Okay, that's your starting point for doing your suvat.